Apfel Doctor Germany, my name is Ben, hello, and I'm there for you to do a repair on an iPad A1566. Let's go. Should be iPad Air 2. And the problem is that it only shows 1% and has charging issues. So let's have a look if we can see that here. Should give you on the on hands camera. Okay, I put the cable into the USB amp meter, and what do we see? It boots, it boots, it boots. And then now it shows 2%. We get it out. And it turns off. It turns off and it doesn't take any current anymore. So that's a typical problem on these iPads. It's a typical Tristar problem. So let's solve that problem in the fast way by just replacing the Tristar IC. It's a basic repair, so it's not a repair like these X repairs or CPU repairs I already showed you. It's just a basic repair, but I want to do the basics with you too. So let's do a basic repair Tristar on an iPad Air 2. Get off the shield. We'll put it back again later and it will look fine again. Get something between the battery and the connector so you don't get any problems later. Okay, and now let's have a look where we can find Tristar. Straight under the microscope. Let's have a look for Tristar, and there it is, the little bitch Tristar. Okay, we don't want to do anything on the shield. We just want to take Tristar out. So just turn the pad a little bit so we can get better. On. I do these Tristar repairs on this iPad Air 2 really often. So we are out with Tristar. Now we just take the wick. Before we get some flux in, then we take the wick and the solder iron. We need some paste here. So now let's go. Just my solder iron isn't good anymore. And it don't want to take enough solder. Doesn't work anymore at all. take a new one. I'm so sorry. My equipment is so bad. I have to buy a new one. Great. Okay, looks good. Just have a look at the side. Just a little bit of solder at one pad. We get it out, it's no problem. Should be fine now. Only display, Andy. Great. Backlight. Or whole display. Okay. So, let's have a look again from the side. And looks amazing. All the pads are clean and flat. So we can now replace Tristar. We don't want to bend anything on the edges of these EMI shields. That's the cause why we work in that way. Okay, let's get it. Oh, doesn't want. Did you see that? It whooped. Baby. Come again here to me. Sit there. And stay there. Do you understand? Little Tristar? Doesn't want to fit, but it's no problem. Just check. Balls are all good. So now let's go. So, we got it. First it wants to fly away, but you can't mess with me, little Tristar. Okay, looks nice. At first we got about 100 milliamps of current when we charged the device. Let's have a look what we got now after replacing Tristar on that iPad Air 2. Get on the screen. Get down the battery. use the screw so the pins come down to the battery, so there aren't any problems with the switch line. Get on. You see the Apple close. It's always a good sign. But we got that before too. But now what about the current? On charging it goes up to 1 amp. And now 1.5 amps. That's good. I think now it should work again. And okay, 2%. We got it before too. But now we got 1.5 amps when we charge. Just wait until 1% is coming to that too. So we got 3. So you can see it charges. 1.5 amps of current. Just wait. I can show it to you. It's 1.3. When I put on the screen, should be a little bit more, about 1.5. So I think you see it works perfectly without any problems. So just check for the home button. Yeah, it works too. Okay. So, pad is back to life again. I will charge the pad now, check all the functions, and then the pad will go to his owner. Okay. I hope you enjoyed the video. Just a short thing, just a basic thing. Tristar replacement on an iPad Air 2. I hope you enjoyed. When you want to learn how things like this can be solved, you can come to our bottle level repair school. You find all information on our website, and when you are a technician or a seller of goods for the repair industry, just come to our Facebook group, Smartphone Repair Group Germany. I'm out, yours Ben. Goodbye.